Can you name 100 animals with just 3 seconds each? From easy to impossible, give it your best shot and show off those wild instincts. But first, don't forget to subscribe to Quizzy Buzz for more roarsome quizzes. You got this. It's time for the easy level. It's a dog, man's best friend. A cat's so cute, so fluffy. Horse, ready to gallop. A sheep, brilliant guess if you got it. A rooster, cock, a doodle-doo. Oh, that's a bear. Duck, quack attack. Rat. A mouse, squeak squad. It's a hamster, tiny BU team mighty. A rabbit, hop to the next one. Crocodile, yeah, it's nice. Frog, ribbit, next ribbit. Animal. Great shark, yikes. A seal, clapping applause. A bat, not Batman, just bat. Bat. A jellyfish, floaty and stingy. A gorilla, king of strength. A bat, not Batman, just bat. Bat. A jellyfish, floaty and stingy. Elephant. Medium level time. Let's turn up the challenge. A giraffe, neck game strong. A chimpanzee, smart and cheeky. A lion, king of the jungle. A killer whale, aka orca. An iguana, lizard vibes. A tiger, roar power. It's a kangaroo, hop hop. Chameleon. A peacock, showing off that glam tail. A blue whale, let's do it. A hippopotamus, water tank. A rhinoceros, horn power. A Fox, clever and sly. A llama, spitting cutie. Emu. Meerkat. Hedgehog the famous. Badger. A weasel, fantastic guess. Opossum. Tarantella. Coyote. Lynx. Hummingbird. A panther lets jump. A Komodo dragon. A addax. Let's do the impossible. Cockatoo. A aardvark. Aye. Flying squirrel. Impala. Axolotl. A tapir baby. A dingo, Lou K like a dog. Latternfish. A jaguar, guess the speed of him. A kiwi. Yak. A dingo. Red panda, fabulu SQC. Stork. Orky. Squid. Waldigle. Narwhal. Beluga whale. Xeris. Wombat. Zebu. Cassowary.